Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you 10 healthy foods that you should definitely try. These foods are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that your body needs to stay healthy and strong. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, calcium, and probiotics. It's a great addition to smoothies, as a substitute for sour cream, or as a base for dips and sauces. It is a great addition to any healthy diet. It's made by straining regular yogurt to remove the liquid whey and lactose, which makes it thicker and creamier than traditional yogurt. Greek yogurt is also a good source of calcium, which is important for bone health. Just one serving of Greek yogurt can provide up to 20% of your daily calcium needs. Greek yogurt contains probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that can improve gut health and boost the immune system. Probiotics can also help with digestion and may reduce inflammation in the body. Greek yogurt into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, so give it a try today. Lentils are a type of legume that are packed with nutrients and health benefits. Here are some reasons why you should consider adding lentils to your diet. They are a great source of plant-based protein, with around 18 grams per cup. This makes them a great choice for vegetarians or anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Rich in vitamins and minerals, lentils are a good source of vitamins and minerals like folate, iron, and potassium. These nutrients are important for maintaining healthy blood cells, supporting the immune system, and regulating blood pressure. Incorporating lentils into your diet can provide numerous health benefits. Blueberries are a type of berry that are packed with nutrients and health benefits. Blueberries are low in calories, with around 80 calories per cup. This makes them a great addition to a healthy diet, as they can provide a burst of sweetness without adding excess calories. When choosing blueberries, look for fresh or frozen varieties that are free from added sugars or preservatives. Frozen blueberries can be a convenient and cost-effective option, as they can be stored in the freezer and used throughout the year. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can provide numerous health benefits, so give them a try today. Quinoa is a versatile and nutritious grain that has become increasingly popular in recent years. Including quinoa in your diet can bring several benefits to your health. Here are some reasons why you should give it a try. Gluten-free. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, which makes it a great choice for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. When cooking with quinoa, it's important to rinse it thoroughly to remove any bitterness. Quinoa can be cooked on the stovetop in about 15–20 minutes, or in a rice cooker for faster cooking. To enhance the flavor of quinoa, you can add herbs and spices like garlic, cumin, or chili powder. Broccoli is a member of the cruciferous vegetable family, which also includes vegetables like cauliflower, cabbage, and kale. Broccoli is a nutrient-dense vegetable that is packed with vitamins and minerals. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, and potassium. It is a low-calorie vegetable that is also low in carbohydrates. This makes it a great choice for people who are trying to lose weight or manage their blood sugar levels. When cooking with broccoli, it's important not to overcook it, as this can cause it to lose some of its nutritional value. You can also eat broccoli raw by dipping it in hummus or a healthy dip. Adding broccoli to your meals can offer you a wide range of health benefits, so it's worth considering incorporating it into your diet today. Avocado is a fruit that is high in healthy fats, fiber, and potassium. It's a great addition to salads and smoothies, or as a substitute for mayonnaise or butter. It is a fruit that is native to Mexico and Central America. It is now grown in many parts of the world and has become a popular ingredient in many cuisines. Avocado is a nutrient-dense fruit that is packed with vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium. It also contains small amounts of other important nutrients like magnesium, iron, and zinc. When selecting an avocado, look for one that is slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. To prepare an avocado, slice it in half lengthwise and remove the pit. You can then scoop out the flesh with a spoon or slice it into wedges. Sweet potatoes are a root vegetable that is native to Central and South America. They are now grown in many parts of the world and have become a popular ingredient in many cuisines. Here are some reasons why you should consider adding sweet potatoes to your diet. They are a good source of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They also contain small amounts of other important nutrients like vitamin B6, calcium, and iron. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fiber, with around 4 grams per medium-sized potato. Fiber is important for digestive health, can help regulate blood sugar levels, and may reduce the risk of certain diseases. Sweet potato fries are also a healthier alternative to regular fries. When selecting sweet potatoes, look for ones that are firm and free from bruises or cracks. To prepare sweet potatoes, wash them well and then peel or leave the skin on, depending on your preference. You can then roast them in the oven, boil them, or mash them for use in recipes. Chia seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. They can be added to smoothies and yogurt, or used as an egg substitute in baking. They are small, black or white seeds that come from the plant Salvia hispanica, which is native to Mexico and Guatemala. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack a big nutritional punch. Chia seeds are a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and several important minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus. They also contain antioxidants, which help protect the body against damage from free radicals. Chia seeds can be added to a variety of foods and beverages, including smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, and baked goods. They can also be used as a vegan egg substitute in recipes. They are a good source of soluble fiber, which can help slow the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream and improve blood sugar control. This may be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. When incorporating chia seeds into your diet, it's important to drink plenty of water to help prevent digestive issues. It's also a good idea to start with small amounts and gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. For a nutrient boost, try experimenting with different ways to incorporate chia seeds into your meals and snacks to reap their many health benefits. Spinach is a versatile leafy green vegetable that is widely recognized for its nutritional value. The nitrates found in spinach may help improve blood pressure and promote better heart health. Spinach contains several compounds that have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. These compounds may help prevent the growth and spread of cancer cells in the body. Spinach can be added to a variety of dishes, including salads, smoothies, omelets, and soups. It's important to choose fresh spinach that is free from bruises or discoloration. From simple spinach salads to spinach smoothies, there are plenty of delicious ways to enjoy this nutritious leafy green. If you're looking for a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, consider incorporating almonds. They're packed with essential nutrients. Almonds are a great source of plant-based protein, making them an excellent snack option for vegetarians and vegans. Protein is an essential nutrient that is important for building and repairing tissues in the body. Almonds have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This makes them a great snack option for people with diabetes or those trying to maintain steady blood sugar levels. Whether you're looking for a quick and easy snack or a versatile ingredient for your favorite recipes, almonds are a nutritious and delicious choice. There you have it, 10 healthy foods that you should definitely try. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help improve your health and overall well-being. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more healthy living tips.